Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're going to discuss something unique: growing money plants in pots. Money plants go by the scientific name of Plectranthus argentatus, and they are a popular choice for indoor gardening. These plants are known for their gorgeous silver foliage, which resembles money leaves. They're easy to care for and make a great statement piece for your home or office. To grow your own money plant in a pot, here's what you need to do. 1. Choose a well-draining pot with appropriate drainage holes. Fill it with a good quality potting mix. 2. Purchase a healthy money plant cuttings or plant from your local nursery or garden center. Carefully remove it from its container, being careful not to damage the roots. 3. Gently place the money plant into the pot, ensuring it's center and evenly distributed within the soil. You can use your hands or a trowel to help with this process. 4. Give your money plant some water using lukewarm water until the soil is evenly moist but not soggy. Keep in mind that while overwatering can be harmful to most houseplants, money plants prefer slightly drier soil than other varieties due to their native habitat in rock crevices, where they receive less water than other habitats do. So don't overdo it on watering. 5. Find a spot with bright indirect sunlight for your money plant, as this will help encourage new growth on your plant and keep it healthy and vibrant. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to grow a money plant in a pot at home. Remember to take care of your new addition. And thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting gardening tips and tricks. Happy growing, everyone!
And subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time.